Hey, today I'm with me Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to connect the Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings, and now we should click to the network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi we should use this switcher. That's why just click here, and now we can see that the Wi-Fi is activated because now we will see all the available networks which we can select and connect. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password we should use this checkbox. So I'll make it out of screen. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way we can select more networks here. After that you'll see them here in saved networks list. So if you want, you can switch between them. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi we should click here once again on the switcher. If you wanna just turn on the Wi-Fi by another way, just first open notification panel shortcuts, click here to Wi-Fi icon. Now it's activated. If you wanna turn it off you should tap here once again, but to launch Wi-Fi settings to select the network you should hold it for a while, and after that you can select just the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.